Hello everyone, welcome to the Kiddie Cloud. In today's video, we will discuss about pre-writing skills. What are pre-writing skills and why are these skills so important? आज की वीडियो में हम आपसे प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे कि प्री राइटिंग स्किल्स होती क्या हैं और वो इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों होती हैं। In my years of experience, I've always noted an issue or a complaint that you can say that parents generally make. Child is not writing properly. उसकी जो grip है वो इतनी strong नहीं है. He is not able to maintain hand and eye coordination when he is writing. Generally, parents face all these problems initially when they are starting teaching their children to write. Now, have you ever noticed कि ये सब problems क्यों आ रही हैं? Why is child facing so many problems in writing? क्यों ऐसी problems आ रही हैं? So certain complaints that parents come to me with are, I want my child to write. I have already sent him to the preschool, but he's not writing. I've already taught him how to hold the pencil, ma'am, but he's still not writing. He's not able to maintain hand and eye coordination. What to do, ma'am? What to do? So these are the problems that generally parents face क्योंकि हमने अपने बच्चों की pre-writing skills पे work नहीं किया है. When we haven't worked on their pre-writing skills, like I'll give you one example. अब हम क्या करते हैं whenever we opt for some new courses, suppose new language in general. That is the language you're fond of learning, but you have never had a hang of it. Okay, so that's entirely an alien thing for you. You're doing it for the first time. And suppose when you are learning this language, like within few days, like couple of days after you've started learning, somebody asks you to write a composition on that particular language. Will you be able to do that? No, right? You won't be able to do it. That's how people who speak French may not be a rocket science for them, but for us, it is something which is out of the box. वो हम subject ही new है. It's altogether a new thing that we are doing. So it's hard for us. It's very hard for us to write a composition in that language. That is the same way we expect our children at such an early age. When you send your child to school, the child is 3 or plus 3 generally, okay, and then as soon as you send him or her to the school, you expect that they should start writing. That's where we go wrong. We can't expect our children to write without teaching them certain skills. Those are pre-writing skills. जो skills हम बच्चों में inculcate करते हैं जब हम उनको writing सिखाते हैं उससे पहले. Okay, these are pre-writing skills. And these are very important. If you have given the pencil to the child कि ये रही pencil and this is how you have to write the alphabet, the child will never be able to write it. Just like children should learn walking before running, that's how students should master pre-writing skills before they are starting to write properly. That's how they can gain legible and efficient handwriting. So in this video, I wanted to make this clear that pre-writing skills बहुत important होती हैं. It's very important, and I am creating a series of pre-writing skills which will go on throughout the week. You can see certain activities that I'll be sharing. I will be explaining each and every way that you can enrich the pre-writing skills of your child.